Brandon, since you're the panel widening expert, this is a 1987 944S Porsche, which I just picked up 2 weeks ago. And look at what the Germans did from the factory. These cars came with those fenders like this, or the quarter panels I should say, and the fronts are also pushed out. I never noticed that when these cars were new back in the mid 80s, but dude, they look, I mean, this is cool. And I don't remember American cars having this. You guys are doing that at Muscle Rod Shop. But look at that, it's already built in. And look at how skinny the tires look. They need to come out quite a bit more. Oh well, I just noticed that. I thought you'd appreciate that. Looking at the old cars. All right, see ya.